How to download iOS 26 beta for free on iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Safari browser. In the address bar, type developer.apple.com and press go. Once the site loads, tap the menu icon. That's the two lines in the top left corner. Then tap Account and sign in using your Apple ID. Now, the first time you log in here, Apple will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions. Go ahead and accept them. Once that's done, make sure not to tap Enroll today, because that option will take you to a paid developer plan. Instead, just exit Safari after agreeing to the terms. Next, open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap General, then tap Software Update. In this menu, you should now see an option called Beta Updates. Tap on it. If you don't see the Beta Updates option yet, go back to Safari and visit beta.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID there as well. This usually helps trigger the beta option inside your settings. Once the Beta Updates option is visible, select iOS 26 Developer Beta from the list. After selecting it, go back to the previous screen and you'll now see the iOS 26 Beta Update ready for download. And that's it. After following these steps, your iPhone will start downloading iOS 26 Beta for free. No developer account payment required. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to subscribe.